Hello, I'm OBD2, the voice of your car. Let's talk about engine code P0133, what it means, what causes it, and how to fix it the right way. When your scanner shows P0133, it means the oxygen sensor in bank 1, sensor 1 is responding too slowly. That sensor sits upstream, before the catalytic converter, and plays a key role in adjusting your air-fuel mixture. This O2 sensor constantly switches between rich and lean readings. It tells the ECU how much oxygen is in your exhaust gases, and the ECU uses this to regulate how much fuel to inject. But when that sensor becomes lazy, when its voltage doesn't switch fast enough, your fuel trims get messed up, and the engine starts compensating blindly. Left magnifying glass emoji, symptoms of P0133. Check engine light, obviously. Higher fuel consumption, slight hesitation or rough idle, poor throttle response, and increased emissions. The car may still run, but not efficiently. And over time, this can hurt the catalytic converter too. Hammer and wrench emoji, what causes P0133? Most commonly, a worn or contaminated O2 sensor. Over time, the sensor's tip gets covered with carbon or fuel residue, and that slows its response. But it's not always the sensor itself. You could have a small exhaust leak before the sensor, broken or corroded wires, a loose plug or connector, or sometimes, a problem with the sensor's ground or power circuit. Wrench emoji, how to fix it. Start by scanning live sensor data. Your upstream O2 sensor should switch voltage rapidly, between 0.1 and 0.9 volts several times per second. If it's slow or stuck, that's a strong clue. Check for exhaust leaks near the manifold. Inspect wiring, especially where it touches hot parts of the engine. And if all looks okay, it might be time to replace the sensor. Always go for OEM or high-quality aftermarket sensors. Cheap sensors often fail early or give inconsistent data. Some people rush to replace the sensor, but if the problem is a leaking gasket or melted wire, the new sensor won't help. So don't just throw parts at the car, think it through. Fixing P0133 keeps your fuel trims accurate, your emissions clean, and your engine efficient. Error codes are just signals. The decision is yours.